Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to recover your Candy Crush Saga levels. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to recover your levels, let's say if you played sometime in the past and now you want to recover your levels to play again, what you have to do is go ahead and download the official game on your mobile phone. So after downloading the game guys, as you can see right here, go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home screen of the game when you enter it, where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you need to do to be able to recover your progress and your levels from your account is to go ahead and click the My Account option right here. Click on My Account guys, and after clicking on My Account, this is going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and log in either via email or Facebook. Choose whichever you used the last time and connect to the same account. So after logging into your same account that you used before, then you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this page right here, which is the main page where you can see all of your levels and your progress. As you can see, I have successfully restored my account to my 26th level and now I can continue playing. But yeah guys, basically that is all that you have to do. Just go ahead and log in to the same account that you used before. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next one, and bye.